Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our Dunkin' fried turkey, everybody. Okay, it's all about family. You know, during the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. And this is how we do it at Mama Soul Kitchen. You hear the laughter in the background. It's just something about when we do a deep fried turkey, it just makes everybody go giddy. Giddy, grandmother? Yeah, giddy. Everybody just gets happy and the conversation just flows. And then when it comes out, everybody goes, oh, like it's just beautiful. It's just wonderful how we celebrate the holidays. Kids driving home from college, driving from other cities, and it's just nice to have the home of love here at Mama Soul Kitchen. Now it's about the flavor. Get on that about the flavor. Look at that turkey. And we are just so excited for 2024 because we're going to have our Papa Daddy's deep fried turkey seasonings available, everybody. For purchase, yes, we are. We're going to have our seasonings available coming soon. So we just want to say that. We're so happy for all the followers that are following us, who's supporting us here at Mama Soul Kitchen. We have our cookbooks available on Mama Soul Kitchen at Amazon.com. We have a Just Desserts Child too, as well for the sweet tooth only. See you guys soon.